This is my phone. Every photo I take automatically backs up to my server. It recognizes faces, it organizes everything by date, it even does the memories thing, on this day 3 years ago. So looks exactly like Google Photos, except Google has nothing to do with it. So let me guess, you got the email from Google, your storage is almost full, 15 gigabytes. That's what they give you free. Photos, Google Drive, Gmail, all sharing that tiny bucket. Then it's $3 a month for 100 gigs, $10 for 2 terabytes. And here's the thing, you are not just paying Google to store your photos, you are letting them scan every image, train their AI, build a profile of your life. What if you could store unlimited photos on your server where nobody else can access them? Well, one click, no command line. So let me show you how. We are using Immich. If you have not heard of it, it is fastest growing self-hosted photo solution right now. It looks and feels almost identical to Google Photos, timeline view, face recognition, location mapping, memories, mobile apps that auto backup. Except it runs on your own hardware. Your photos never leave your server. The project just hit version 2, very active development. New features every month. For this tutorial, I am using a Hostinger VPS. I just have shared the same Hostinger VPS link in the description below that I am using. This is an affiliate link. If you sign up through it, I get a small commission. Appreciate it. Now, quick note on specs. Immich recommends at least 4 gigs of RAM, ideally 6 for a small photo library. Their KVM1 plan works about $5 a month. If you have tens of thousands of photos, I would recommend KVM2. That gives you more headroom for the AI features. Either way, it is going to be really useful for you. Alright, let's set it up. I am in my Hostinger H panel right here. Click on the VPS on the left sidebar and then click on the manage button of your VPS, and here I earlier installed the WireGuard in for my previous video, so I don't need it anymore. You just have to go to the OS panel, click on the operating system and go to the application, and from here click on the show more, and then let's search for the Immich, and this is the application. Click on that, click on the change OS, and this is the same warning as always. This will wipe your existing VPS, so backup everything important first. Click next and generate a strong password. You can click on this button, that would generate it for you. You just have to copy the password and save it to a safe place so that you could use it later when Immich is live. So let's generate it. The password has been generated. I have pasted my password somewhere so that I could reuse it. So just confirm it and give it some time. It will take some time, about 5 to 10 minutes. Once it is done, we will then continue testing it. Alright, it's done. See that manage app button? You just have to click on that. So once you click on that, it will open your website through this IP address and this port you can see here, and you see the welcome message from the Immich. Click on the get started. You just have to create your admin account first, so let's do that. Here, add the admin email. I will just say test@gmail.com, and then let's add some password and confirm password, the name, and hit the sign up button. Alright, now we can log in. Let's use the same email and password, test@gmail.com, and the password. Click on the login. Okay, I am logged in. You can see the welcome message. Welcome Ayaz, let's get your instance set up with some common settings. So let's quickly click on this button to get set it up. I will set the light mode for now. In the language, select English. Download the companion mobile app using the following options. You can either go to the app stores or you can click on this Obtainium configurator. I don't know what is that. Use Obtainium to install and update the Android app directly to Immich GitHub's release, create an API key, etc. I would prefer to use App Store for now. Let's click on the done. Alright, we are inside Immich. This is your timeline. Right now it is empty. We need to add some photos. But first, let me show you what makes Immich special. In the left sidebar, we have the Explore button. This is where the AI magic happens, like face recognition, places, things, and then we have the map. This map view show all your photos plotted by the location. And then we have the sharing option here. You can create albums, share with family, even share your entire library with a partner. So this is the command center. Now let's get photos in here. So here is where Immich really shines. On your phone, you just have to search for the Immich in the App Store or Play Store, and it's totally free. Just install it, open it. Now you need to connect to your server. So tap on the server URL, and now here you have to enter your VPS address. It is the same one you used in the browser. So let's quickly click on this URL address bar, copy the URL, and let's paste it in our input in the mobile app and click on the next. Make sure there is just IP address and the port, not the other part, and hit the next. And here you have to enter the same email and password that you used in your web versions. I have added my email and password, the same email password that I used on the web. Click on the login, and once you are logged in, it will ask for your permission to access your photo library. So now it has opened the application with the permissions. So here you see that I'm able to select the album that I want to backup. So it is saying there are 32 albums. You can select anything. Okay, so in the backup section, there is no image selected yet. So I just created an album just for testing, and the name of the album is Test. So I will just pick that one because it has only 4 photos. I just want for the demo purpose. If you go back, you will see there are 4 photos, 0 backup yet, reminder 4 SR, etc. All of the details. The backup is still not enabled. If you click on the enable backup, then it will start to back it up. And once it is back up, you will notice that all 4 files are backed up. Now, if you go back to the browser, you will notice all of those files are there, and they are sorted by the date, and it looks like it is a Google Photos, but it is not. You can see, you can like Google, you can scroll them, you can rotate those pictures and go to the next pictures by just clicking on them in this way. These are your photos on your server. So you can scroll through the timeline, click on any photo, full resolution, original quality, no compression. Google Photos compresses your images unless you pay extra. And here, full originals, and it would be like that always. And what about the family sharing? You can create an album here, like here, just click on this button, create an album, and you can select the photos like this, and you can just click on the done and share, and in this way you can share with other Immich users on your server or create a public link. Even better, you can create accounts for family members. Then here you will do all of the admin related tasks, like you can create new user by clicking on this create user button, and here you can add them. So each person gets their own private library. Their phone backs up to their storage, their space. But you can share albums between accounts or even share your entire library with a partner. Like your mom, your dad can both see all the family photos. Kids have their own private spaces. This is what Google charges extra for in their family plans. A few things if you are going all in. Number one is storage. Your VPS has 50 gigs by default. Photos add up fast, so you can attach more storage in Hostinger or use external storage. Number two is backups. Your VPS should be backed up. Hostinger has built-in backup options, so don't skip this part. Number three is if you have a huge existing library, you can import from Google Photos using Google Takeout. There are guides for this. Link is in the description. Number 4 is Immich is actively developed. Updates come frequently. The app will notify you when updates are available. That's it. Your own Google Photos, unlimited storage, face recognition, mobile backup, no monthly per gigabyte fees. Immich on Hostinger, one click. If you are building a self-hosting setup, check out my other videos like WireGuard for your own VPN, Uptime Kuma for monitoring, and N10 for automation. All links are in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.